So I have a little video on the gears.
We have different gear shifter. There's a thumb gear shifter and this is fingered gear shifter.
Yep.
This one's fingered gear shifter. You need to make sure that this one is to bring back the chain here down. See, just 10, 10, just 10, just 10, just 10. And if you want to bring it up here, 10 again, you use this one, the thumb.
So
Use
there's
the
two of
thumb.
them, as you can
Yes.
see.
Thumb, it's coming, just there.
And the bigger the...
They would adjust it because it's rolling the gear shifter.
I just wanted to add something here. This two bolt is very important. If your chain is falling here, between here, then you need to lock it with this one, the up one. Then if your chain is falling down at the last here in 8 speed, you need to lock it with this one.
Okay.
If this one loose, then every time chain will keep falling.
Yeah. And the bigger...
Yeah, that's why this one, like, we lock it with this nut.
Yeah.
We lock it because when the chain came here, the choke is rolling here.
Yeah.
See this? That's why we
the
stop
damage.
it here. It must not come again here.
Yeah.
Yes.
And basically these are the light gears. So the light gears are when you're going up a hill, etc. When you're going down or you're going faster, you use the higher
this
gears.
one,
So
and
gear
this
5
one
to
for
7.
if you are going up here, you use this gear.
Yep. Alright, thank you, Alex.